Which type of keyboard switch is best, linear, tactile, or clicky? Linear switches are smooth all the way. They don't have any feel to them. With tactile switches, you can feel a little bump when you press it. You get a little more feedback. Clicky switches have a little bump and they make a clicky noise. Personally, my favorite type of switch is linear, but I could definitely see why someone would like tactile. A lot of people like the sound of clicky switches, but it can get really loud. Keyboards are all about preference, but just make sure when you're buying one that it says it's hot swappable. What that means is that at any time, if you don't like the sound of your keyboard, you can just replace the switches. On this one I can, on this one I can't because this one is not hot swappable. You can't pull the switches off of this one because it's soldered on.